Hi, Ed here from ELB Speaking. How are you today? Today we're going to see the pronunciation of whose, which sounds exactly the same as whose, but mean completely different things. We use whose as a contraction of who is. Examples: who is that? Who is this? Or who's that? Who's this? It's the same question, the only difference is that the second one is a contraction. Now, we use whose when we want to know who is the owner of something. But there is a certain structure that you have to use or respect when you use whose as your question word. And the structure is as follows: whose plus object plus verb plus demonstrative pronoun. Look at this example. In the movie Pulp Fiction, Fabienne asks Butch the following question: whose motorcycle is this?
It's a chopper, baby.
Whose chopper is this?
It's Seth's.
Is the example clear? Very well. Now, without the noun, the structure is as follows: whose is it? Whose is that? Whose is this? Whose are they? Whose are those? Whose are these? Okay, let's work on some sentences now. I am going to say a noun and a location. And I will help with the sentence. Pen. Here. Whose pen is this? Pencils. There. Whose pencils are those? Car. There. Whose car is that? Backpacks. Here. Whose backpacks are these? Books. There. Whose books are those? Coin. Here. Whose coin is this? Okay, let's see now some examples without the noun. Close. Whose is this? Whose is it? Close. Whose are these? Whose are they? Okay, did you notice anything strange on these examples? That's right. Whose is it? Whose are they? Can be used if an object is close to you or far away. Whose is it? Whose are they? Well, that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, practice your English. Never feel afraid of practicing your English, because that way, if you're practicing with someone that knows a little bit more than you do, they can correct you and they can help you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, subscribe, like, and share this video. Hit that bell and follow us if you don't already.